After a long journey, I finally arrived in Munich airport. Everything feels new and a little overwhelming. New country, new life, and I don't know what to expect.
Sunrise bleeds on a dusty pane. Another town I won't see again. This engine's hum is the only friend I know. Just white lines and a lonely road. Yeah, I'm driving south till the memories fade. But every mile is a ghost you made. It's wrecking back cries a lonely sound for a love that's buried in the cold, cold ground.
But in that moment, I saw the one person who made everything feel okay. My wife was waiting for me. We walked together, and it felt like this journey was no longer just mine.
Hi.
It's ours now.
Welcome to Germany.
Another sunrise on this dusty plain of cubicles and artificial light. Got a memo about the quarterly reports. Another stand up, another quick sync up. They talk of synergy in conference rooms, while I'm just trying to fill my coffee cup.
From the airport, we took the train. My first train ride here in Germany.
When the sun rises over golden land and the wild calls out across the sand, there's a road that leads where dreams begin.
As I look outside the window, I realize that this is real. I'm really here, starting a new chapter of my life.
Feel the breeze, nature whispers through the trees.
It's a mix of emotions.
Every step,
Excitement,
every mile,
nervousness, and hope.
brings you closer to the wild.
There's still so much I don't understand, but I know this is just the beginning. A new country, a new life, and a new journey with the person I love. Germany, here I come. They say, snow has a way of stopping time. And the first time you see it,
no?
you realize some moments are meant to be felt, not rushed.
Udah 10 tahun na sana guys. Lupa.
Sometimes life doesn't ask you to run faster. It asks you to pause. Not every second needs to be productive. Some seconds are meant to be lived. To slow down. Notice the small things. The laughter.
Wow, good job.
The stillness. The beating of your own heart. Because life isn't just about how far you go. It's about how deeply you feel along the way. Pause. And let yourself truly live.
Just me and the road.
Every step I take is one step closer to a stronger version of me. No shortcuts, no excuses, just progress. This is my pace, my journey, my run.
Got a half-empty bottle and a pocket full of rust. Trading all my golden days for highway dust.
My legs get tired, but I don't stop. Because growth begins where comfort ends. This run, it's me versus me.
And the wind is howling loud through the canyon pines. Yeah, I'm reading every shadow, just looking for the signs. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where I've been.
Run your own race. No comparison. Just progress.
Oh, the river runs deep and the mountain is high. Ain't gonna rest till I touch that sky. Got a wild, wild soul and a restless bone. 1,000 miles to go, but I'm finding my way home.